right, so it is. Oops. Oh, alcohol abuse.
Oh no.
Oh,
Overfill.
here, we better cheers. Cheers.
Lower her down a bit.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year to you people.
And thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I was just looking that a year ago today, we had 94 subscribers, which we thought was an awfully good way to start the year off.
Yeah.
And today we have 534. So cheers to you. That's 500 and counting. Oh, there was another one.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks, George. It's 534 very attractive and intelligent subscribers.
That's who's drawn to our channel.
Yes. Cheers. So, I'm going to show you a few shots of Brian working on belt buckle here, which is pretty cool.
Pre-toast.
Is the radio on still upstairs?
It is.
Oh, okay.
Slightly. No, why? Hearing things?
Yeah. Do you hear voices? Yeah. There are no voices, Max.
This is a tough thing to get into because of the way the grain's going. I have to cut upwards and to get this little corner down here, you got to kind of slide your blade underneath it. And that's not 100% the right direction.
I'll put that right behind you. That printout.
We should give her hand.
Oh, yes. Give her her dignity back.
There.
There you go.
She's got an itch.
Yeah. Right on the side of her nose. You just.
I never leave her for the night without her hand, just in case.
Speaking of attractive and intelligent subscribers, we had a comment that I wanted to read. You remember last month? Seems like a couple weeks ago, but it was actually last year. We did the Coon scat.
Coon
Coon skin hat video with Jim Fleet.
Oh, we were talking about the hat. Jim Fleet's who I made it for, and he's here now to collect it up and see if it fits, and here we are.
Well, thank you very much, Brian. Awesome. Thank you. Very well. What a gift. Something totally unique.
Completely unique.
No,
original.
Yes.
One might say.
Yeah. And we had a comment from Jamie Rial. And I don't know if Jamie's a man or a woman, but he wrote, Coonskin hat story. I was 4 or 5 years old when these hats came out. My mother took me with her to visit her former boss's business in Portland, Maine. She was his Girl Friday in the business and someone he depended on and was well thought of. He was glad to see her and they were catching up on things. This was when the Daniel Boone were popular.
The Daniel Boone show.
The show, yeah.
The show, yeah.
And he asked me if I wanted one. Uh-oh, gotta get Benjamin a shot.
Oh, he's in.
Yeah.
Is he not? Oh, that's better.
This was when the Daniel Boone show was popular, and he asked me if I wanted one. It was a distribution center that had boxes of them on pallets, and he told me to find one that fit me. I came back to the office where they were, but didn't have one. He asked me why no hat. I told him I wanted one that was all fur, and the ones he had were plastic on top. My mother gave me a look to kill. We walked up the street and we stopped at a variety store so she could get cigarettes. While she was with the clerk, I discovered a box on the counter with golf balls. Golf balls made a cool bounce when they hit the floor, but but these didn't. And by the time I had tried 2 or 3 and they shattered, the clerk came to stop me. They were trick golf balls and made of ceramic. My mother paid for them, and she spent the whole time we walked to my aunt's house telling me how red my ass would be when we got there. True to her word, it was the first thing she did. Not a good day for the kid. Here's to you, Jamie.
Yeah.
So, we will see you next time.
Soon we go.
That was a really funny comment. He also, or she also commented about,
I'm pretty sure it's a he.
I think it's a he from the story. Also commented about linseed oil on the video we did about linseed oil.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Good subscriber. Thank you.
Yeah.